Hello engineers. Today I am going to discuss about online courses, how to create the online courses and how you can earn money from the online courses, creating online courses. So you can see so many people are nowadays in online and teaching so many things. What the engineers can't do that because engineers has a lot of subjects and lot of topics. There a constant mentorship is required. The constant training and mentoring is required to understand and learn the topics. And engineers has a broad and vast and deep topics are there. So every engineer has an opportunity to become a creator of courses because it's required each and every phase of their career, even though they are working, or also if they are doing an entrepreneur, or they want to do something of their own and want to earn money specifically from online courses, they can create online courses and can earn money. So in this video we will be going in more deep what all the different steps we have to take to create the online courses and to earn money. Hi, my name is Pradeep Kumar KP. I am engineers growth coach. I help engineers to achieve high income growth and happy living with a purpose in their life. I basically help engineers to create digital courses on a particular topic, and I call them as technical resource utilization experts because they focus on a particular technical resource and help people solving the problems and also creating a community. Those are interested on particular technical resource. So today we want to discuss about how I earn money creating online courses. Because before I started teaching engineers about to create, monetize their expertise, creating online courses and coaching, consulting, and collaboration, and all this together as a package to the customers for helping the customers to achieve creativity, productivity, and profitability using a particular technical resource. So today we are going to discuss the different steps for engineers to create an online course, and they can use it for different purpose. Maybe to sell the course itself, or to create to sell any other products related to that course, or that course also can help the customers who bought a particular product and to improve its creativity, productivity, and profitability. So what is the different steps? We will see that what is the different steps that we have to take to create the online courses. Creating and selling online course can be a great way to earn money. Here are some of the steps to help you to make money creating courses. That is directly from the courses. Okay. What first we have to do is that we have to choose a topic. That is, first you have to choose your topic and decide on a topic that you are knowledgeable and also passionate about. So this can be anything from any small engineering knowledge to a deep knowledge items that can be useful for engineers specifically. Because I want to talk about the engineers expertise. I am more interested to help engineers using their technical expertise. So this is the first thing, is to choose the topic. The second thing is that you have to identify your target audience and whom you want to focus, to whom you want to you give this course. So particularly if you want to create a course and sell to your audience, you have to see that what kind of people that are ready to buy your product. So it's depend on what topics, what applications your expertise is there. So accordingly, you can look out for those kind of customers or the prospects who may be interested in your product. So you have to first determine who your target audience is and what's their needs are. This will help you to create a course that is tailored to their specific needs. So once you have an idea of the topic, then you have to decide the audience and look at the audience, and you can decide what can be their requirement, and accordingly you can create the course. So first then you have to plan the content. So once you have decided the topic and look at your audience, then you can develop an outline of your course that includes the topics you will cover, the format of the course, and the materials you will give to them. So once you plan this and you can start creating the content, then you can create your course content. Develop high quality course content, including videos, slides, and other supporting materials make sure that your course is engaging and easy to follow. After you create the content, then you have to choose a platform. You have to upload the course. So you have to select an online course platform such as Udemy, Coursera, or if you want to have your own academy, you can go for Teachable and like that LMS, learning management system, to host your course. So this platform provides tools for creating and selling your courses. So once you have uploaded your content on this platform, then you have to market your course. So you have to promote your course. You can promote it in an organic way in the online or in the social media. Also, you can do the paid marketing, like in the Facebook or Instagram or any other social media, or through email marketing, and through any other channels you can reach to your target audience. So before that, you have to set a price also to determine how much you will charge for your course, and consider the factors such as amount of the content, the level of expertise you are providing, and the demand for your course. Looking all to three factors, you can decide the price of the product. Even if you start up, you can start with a lower price and you can increase as the acceptance for your course increases. Then you can launch your course. So once you have decided the price, upload your content, you started the marketing, informing the people, started giving awareness about the value of your course. Then you can launch your course on your chosen platform and to continue to promote to attract the customers, to attract the students. Then once they start joining, you can get the feedback, ask feedback from the students to improve your course and make adjustment based on their input. After that, you have to continuously improve, because once you get the feedback, you immediately you have to make the necessary changes in the content so that it will be more useful to your students or the customers. So continue to develop and upgrade the new course, upgrade the existing course, and also you can start creating new courses so that you can keep your content fresh and relevant to your audience. By following these steps, you can create and sell online courses that provide value to your customers and can generate income for you. So thank you for watching this video. Hope that this would have given some idea to those people who are very new to this online course creation and monetizing their expertise. So thank you very much. Meet you in the next video.